Hi, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss an interesting topic of Blue Prism. Why certain stages are available in Object Studio but not in Process Studio and vice versa. So let's get started. In Blue Prism, we have two main areas for creating automation solutions. First, Object Studio, and second, Process Studio. Each of these studios has a specific purpose and set of stages designed to fulfill the different roles within an automation project. Now let's understand first what is Object Studio and what is Process Studio. Object Studio is where we create objects to interact directly with the external applications, and this is where we create application model to interact with the applications. The primary focus is on creating reusable objects that perform specific actions on applications, and these actions are then called by processes in Process Studio. On the other hand, Process Studio is designed to create and manage the overall business logic and workflow automation. In Process Studio, we create a process that calls this action, decide what to do next based on the data, and controls the overall workflow. Now let's look at the stages that are only available in Object Studio and understand why they are not found in Process Studio. Now let's put it side by side here, and you can see here we have pointer, link, block. This everything is here. Read stage is not there in the Process Studio, so this is unique. Read, write, navigate, code, and wait stage. These five stages are only available in the Object Studio, not in the Process Studio. Now after that we have process. So let's start here with the process stage. So let's go this way. So process here also page, page stage, action stage, decision stage, choice stage, calculation stage, multi-calc stage, data item stage, collection stage, loop, note, anchor, and stage, exception stage. So you can see like this, exception stage, recover, and resume. Now you can see here, you notice that alert stage in Process Studio that is not available in the Object Studio. So the five stages which is available in Object Studio and not in the Process Studio, and one stage, that alert stage, that is available in the Process Studio but not in the Object Studio. Now let's understand why these five stages available only in the Object Studio and not available in the Process Studio. First we have read stage. Read stage is used to read, or we can say extract, the data from an application's UI elements, right? And this stage is specific to the interaction with the external application, and that's why it is available in Object Studio only. So you can see here the read stage. This is basically used in the read reference pages to read the reference from the pop-up. You can see we are just reading this. So using the get text, so we are getting the text data from the reference that pop up. So read stage is used basically to interact with the, to get the data, to read the data or extract the data from the application's UI element. Now we have write stage. Write stage is used to write the data into an application's UI element, and this stage is specific to the interaction with the external application, and that's why this is available in Object Studio. And you can see here in the login page we have used this write stage to write the staff number and password to the login page, to the login UI element there. Third is the navigate stage. Navigate stage performs actions like clicking buttons or navigating through the menus in an applications, and these actions are direct interaction with the application's interface and making them relevant only in the Object Studio. You can see here we have used this navigate stage to click on login button, press action, right? Now code stage. Code stage is used to execute the custom code to handle complex interaction with the applications. You can see here Here we can write the code. Wait stage. Wait stage is used to handle the timing and synchronization issue within application UI, such as waiting for an element to appear. So here you can see we have wait for login. So we are using this to check this login window element exists or not. So once this exists, so we have true, then it enters the data. Now let's discuss a stage that is available in Process Studio but not in the Object Studio. So we have alert stage. Alert stage is used to send notification or alerts based on the certain conditions or events within the process flow. To send an alert, we need to write an expression here, and based on the expressions, it sends alerts to the users. In summary, Object Studio includes stages like read, write, navigate, code, and wait stage because it is designed for detailed interactions with the applications. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you understand why certain stages are only available in Object Studio, not in Process Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in comments below. Until next time, happy learning.